Hey guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my top 3 protein smoothie recipes. Now there are 3 in total, but I will only be physically blending one just because I'm not trying to drink that many smoothies at once. But let's go ahead and dive right in. So the first smoothie will be the vanilla latte. So you're just going to need a handful of ice, some almond milk. I normally just eyeball it, but for ingredient sake, let's just say they're 8 ounces. 1 to 2 ounces of your favorite coffee. It can be either hot or cold. For a more creamy texture, I am using a frozen banana, a serving of your favorite protein powder, and then if you want to sweeten it even more, you can add 3 to 4 drops of liquid stevia or any other sweetener. Moving on to the next recipe, we have the blueberry vanilla smoothie. So for this one, you'll need a cup of blueberries, 1 frozen banana, protein powder of your choice. If you want to add an extra energy boost, you can add a little bit of cacao powder. You can do a tablespoon, or I just kind of sprinkle it in, and then 8 ounces of almond milk. Just blend that all together and you have a nice little morning pick-me-up or even an afternoon pick-me-up. And finally, the last smoothie is my mango turmeric smoothie. So for this one, you'll just need a frozen banana, about half a cup of mangoes, 8 ounces of almond milk, or I just eyeball and fill it up to where the fruits are covered. Right here, you would add a teaspoon of lemon juice. However, I have these True Lemon packets, so I just decided to use one of those instead. Next, you'll just add a serving of your favorite protein powder, and follow it up with a tablespoon of turmeric. I eyeball this as well, but I think it roughly comes out to about 1 tablespoon. Just a quick note, I sometimes switch out my lemon powder for my pre-workout, especially if I plan on either doing a workout in the next 20 minutes or if I just need energy. And all that is left is just to blend. I have the Nutra Ninja, so I just put it on Pro Extraction because this is a single serving, and I just let it do whatever it's gonna do. And all that's left is just to pour and enjoy. So guys, that's pretty much it. Those are my top 3 protein shakes that I normally like to go to. The mango turmeric one's normally one I go to when I'm about to work out, especially if I add in my pre-workout powder. I just did regular lemon this time because I don't have a workout for at least another 3 hours, so I just wanted food. Let me know what your favorite one is in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check out my last 2 videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!